What's up, guys? We're here in Mesa, and this is what we have today. These are completely we'll be fixing all these tiles, regrouting it, and filling the hollow tiles around it. Alrighty guys, just want to do a little voiceover here. We're first removing the grout from the tiles that need to be removed. So you see I already did the 4 that I'm kneeling on, and I'm just working on those 2 right there. So yeah, first step, remove the grout. Here's a little different angle. And basically get that tile off of there. So there wasn't a lot of mortar on the floor, subfloor, which would be a concrete, but there was on the actual tile. So I'm just sweeping it out. Here I am taking the mortar off the thin set, off the actual tiles. I'm going to be reusing the tiles, and they didn't have any extra ones, so I had to be careful, but also do it in a timely manner. So first I was using like the jackhammer, get the big stuff off, and then grinding the rest off. Since this day I did buy ear protection covers because it was loud. I had to be real careful, and I did pick up all the grout that got on their rocks there. But I have it connected to my vacuum, so it's not making a bunch of dust. And that's about as good as we're going to get it. So I had to do that to all of the tiles that I got off. The next step would be to reinstall the tiles. Here's me putting down the first one, and then basically have to do those steps again for the rest of the tiles there. Just putting it on the floor and on the back of the tile, placing it in the spot it belongs, and then just having, now it's time to just work on the next 6 of them. Alrighty, here I am filling the hollow tiles. I don't have to take them out, replace them, grind the mortar off. So there's a way to fix them without doing all those steps, and that's just filling them in with something called Fix-A-Floor. Kind of like a glue. You drill a hole in the grout where the hollow tiles are, and then you basically fill it with the Fix-A-Floor, and it'll fill in those gaps and glue down to the subfloor, all without having to replace them or take them out. So what we did here is do that to all the tiles around the tiles that we replaced. There were a little bit more tiles near that hallway you see there, but the client only paid for that amount, and that's what we did, and they were very happy. You see the glue going in there and spreading underneath that tile. So we're also filling all those tiles around there and filling in the grout to the tiles that we just replaced. So that's what Angel's doing, is filling in the grout, smushing it in there, and I am filling the hollow tiles with the Fix-A-Floor. Alright, next step is to fill those grout ends. I'm going to be filling those holes in. These are all the tiles that we replaced. Just check it, make sure there's no glue. Looks pretty good. Check it from this side. Right here I am, just filling the small holes from the drill. So I came the next morning, let the mortar dry, the glue cure, and came in the next morning and filling all the little holes, making sure it looks good, no glue residue, grout haze. And just walking it through with the client. Everything down. Just making sure everything looks perfect. But yeah, guys, if you guys are needing grout repairs, any hollow tiles, if you walk on a tile and you hear it hollow, we can fix that. Any missing grout, we can fix that. Tiles are cracked, we can replace them. We are located in Mesa, but travel to anywhere in the Phoenix Valley. And yeah, just let us know. We'd be happy to give you a quote. And yeah, guys, peace this out. I'm just gonna leave the video going. You can see me just repair the last few areas. So yeah, guys, have a great day, and see you on the next one.